What's up guys? Today we are going to discuss how to build backlinks for new website. So if you have new website, you want to start ranking your website and start getting traffic. Today I'm going to show you guys step by step guide on how to build backlinks for new website, for new blog. If you're struggling to get traffic or you're struggling to build backlink, you need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to bring out a lot of important values you need to follow, step by step guide to implement and start your link building process. If you skip any of the method, you will think that link building is not working for new website. So what am I going to do today? I'm going to narrow it down, do some basic analysis, and also give you some guideline on what exactly you need to start doing on your new website. So if you have new website struggling in building backlink, let's go down and do it right now. So if it's a new time joining my live streaming or maybe coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn the notification bell. Once update anything concerning SEO, you will get notification. So let's move on. And building backlink for new website, there are things we need to consider, and I want to also show you guys some few example of exactly method we need to start using on our website. So starting link building for new websites, we need to build social media profiles because these are the things we need to consider when we are trying to build out a brand. We need to have social media profile, which is LinkedIn. We can also create LinkedIn account, Twitter account, Facebook page or Facebook group for our business, and then some other Reddit is also good, and we also have Quora. And I'm going to show you one of my some of the proof from Quora, which I showed you guys on how to use Quora to drive traffic. So the main important thing about backlink is not only to to throw link juice. The reason of link building is also to create awareness to other websites that have more audience more than your own blog, so those traffic from those websites can also navigate down to your own website. That's just another second priority in terms of building backlinks. So I'm going to draw everything out to make it sure you guys understand how to build backlink for new websites. So let's go down to the business. Now, the first thing we also need to consider in building backlink for new website. This is a new website. Here is the new website. Let me expand it. Okay, let me take it by the side. In the first thing, once you have a new website and you have content inside, we just need to do something, creating social media profile. These are social media profile is going to create more brand awareness and it's going to be more of branding within your business. And I said something earlier, if you're using WordPress, there are some features you can use to use a API plugin to propagate your content. Once you publish, it will send it automatically to your social media profile. This will also increase the level of your brand awareness. Link building is not only increasing DA, increasing PA, or even start ranking immediately, but creating brand awareness for other people to know that there is a new website that is existing, because those social media profiles or those social media sites have audience already. You just need to create your own content and then share it on your social media profile to engage new people to notice about your new product. So the first thing we need to consider is this. Let me show you. This is a new website. Okay, new website. So the link building aspect here should be considered to build social media profiles. Okay, here is the new website and there is zero backlink. We have to check the list of social media handles. We have list, we can be able to type it out, list of social media. Okay, list of social media. Once you type it, Google is going to show you WeChat, Tumblr, Curezone, Twitter. There's a lot of them, almost 101. I think we don't need to go for multiple ones. we need to pick the popular ones. We know Twitter is popular, we need Twitter. So let's go down here and click draw a diagram here. So the first link building aspect we need to consider is social media and profile. So let me draw it out here. Okay, we need social media and profile, social media social profile backlink. Links. Okay, this is exactly what we need here, the first link building we need, and this can contain Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, LinkedIn. We have Tumblr. These are social media websites where you can be able to sign up, create it with your brand name, make sure you put your logo, sign up and create some few content, or you can easily propagate the content you have on your website and push it automatically to this social media profile. Creating Telegram account is also good, but make sure you have social media profile. You can also make sure you have social media profile before we step up to build the second backlink. After social media profile, we also consider press release. What is press release? Press release is news websites, creating guest posting content on news websites, publishing our guest posting on news website, creating brand awareness. See, this website is going to offer you the best place to get and how to make money, or the best place to start making money, or the best place to teach you how to start crypto business or crypto mining, also how to invest your crypto. Or maybe this website is going to provide you a list of how to start making money online, or maybe becoming a digital marketer. But let it be that the second choice you need to take in your link building is in a new website is press release. And press release is more of news websites, so we need press release. The second backlink is press release. Let me write this one, should be fixed backlink, fixed links. Okay, second links, let me copy this and replace it here, which is I'm going to remove this and put 2 here. Okay, the second link should be press release. Okay, what we need here is press release. Let's go to Fiverr and type it so you can be able to see it. I told you guys I'm not going to be advertising my product here or my service. It's very rude if I do so. Let me check if I have a question, if you guys have asked me some few questions. Okay, it's only one person. Make sure you turn up the like button, so it's going to help YouTube algorithm to shift this video to more people that need solution to start link building for their new website. So if I move down to here and type something, for example here, press release. Press release is a news website, and we can get cheaper press release from here. And let me copy the word press release. Let me copy it out. Let me copy it here. Okay, and type it here, press release. Okay, here is the press release. So the second backlink we need to take into our new website is press release, and press release is more likely to do outreaching to a news website, Okay, now this third backlink we also need to point out to our new website is what they call link section. Link section is more of contextual, and is also link section means editing old content and inserting it with your backlink, your URL, with your targeted keyword. That's just what you just need to understand about 30, 40, 50, 120, $300. It's worth it, because niche audit means editing old content, which is link section means editing old content and insert it with your own backlink. The benefit there is that Google have crawled those old content. then the person is going to go back and edit it and add your own backlink, and the website will be receiving traffic. Okay, now we also need the third step we need is link insertion. After our profile in the press release, we also need link insertion. Let me just go back here and click it and place it here. So for those of you that is going to watch later, make sure you help me and share this video to any social media website so it can go more viral to get in to new people to watch this video and to see how to build backlink for new website. So now this is it. The first link is social media profile backlink, the second one is press release backlink, and the third one is link insertion. These are the three types of links we need to point out to our news website, to our new website to generate Google trust. And each of these backlink will contain our brand keyword. And even though your profile backlink, which is the social media backlink, will still contain what your brand targeted keyword. And a lot of in Twitter you can share your content, your content or your new content, which is you can share your URL. So it's also important you take the full step to create social media handle for your new website before we consider going for press release. After press release, we go for link insertion and give it a gap of at least average 2 months again before engaging ourselves to any other backlink. If we want to also engage ourselves to PBN, I think there's a type of PBN you can also point to your new website. There's what they call white hat PBN, and those white hat PBN means PBN that receive traffic and it looks like those PBN look like website. So Google will not differentiate if this, because most people that is running PBN, black hat PBN, also block Google from indexing their content, which is very bad. Is also a red flag. But the company that I'm working with, which I cannot refer anybody to do that, is just for you to take the decision by yourself. The company I'm working with, they have a PBN service. Those PBN website they have received thousands of traffic, so it look real. So whenever you point backlink from that website down to your own new website, it's also going to generate a lot of signal and also link juice back to your new website and to generate more traffic. So the fourth link step we need to take is PBN. In that PBN, we can also take his junior brother should be Web 2.0. We can keep it like this. So this one should be PBN. Okay, let me write PBN here. PBN backlinks. PBN links. That should be the fourth step to take. Okay, let me keep it here. The fourth step to the fifth. Okay, the fifth step to take is Web 2.0. So let's do it like this. PBN backlink should be like this, and let me take it a zoom out. So then the fifth one should be Web 2.0. Let me just give it out here. Okay guys, sorry. Web 2.0 should be here, and the link should be 5. So the link step we are going to take is 5 step for new website. The first one come with let me just go zoom in. The first one come with social media profile, which is very common for everybody to get easily, even cheaper, even free. You can sign up to Twitter, a lot of them. There's a lot of social media profile. In the press release, you can order it from Fiverr. Links in section, you can order it from Fiverr or any SEO agency. And the fourth one we need to take is PBN. You can order this from any SEO agency. And the fifth one we need to take is Web 2.0. So I think these are the steps we need to take in terms of building backlinks in a new website. Not just to there's many steps we need to take, but these are white hat steps. There's not going to make Google to suspect you are trying to spam the process, okay? Because using this step is going to be a clear history. Building backlink with a clear history is going to add more value to your website. The first impression is building social media profile, then press release, which is awareness, and link is section, which is generating more authority. And the fourth one is let me just check out. The fourth one is PBN, and the fifth one is Web 2.0. I think I need questions, so I want you guys to throw questions for me so I can be able to answer, and we can also proceed to more things you need to understand about building backlinks for new websites. Okay, I'm waiting for you guys. Okay, so let's try it out. I'm waiting for questions. If you have questions, or if you have anything that is bothering you within backlinking, within SEO, within your local business, or maybe you want to rank your blog, or maybe you want to rank your local business, and I'm free. You can be able to ask me some questions so we can be able to learn together to learn more about all these stuffs, how to go about it. So I'm waiting for questions. I'm really waiting for questions. Okay, since I don't have question, I think for this week I've tried my best because I took break some weeks ago. I came back with a kind of new method on, just like I want to start doing live streaming to follow you guys up to know exactly what you have learned from my site if you really implement one of them. So but I think I'm going to end this video right now, and if you have anything concerning SEO, don't hesitate to comment below the description of this video. And if you have anything bothering you at all within SEO, make sure you do that. And if you want my consultation, if you want to consult me for any business, make sure you check the description below. You are going to get my contact and get in touch to me in Facebook or WhatsApp, and also for email. See you guys in my next video. Bye.